How to use new lock screen widgets in iOS 18.3. If you swipe down from your top right corner, then your lock screen will appear. Now tap and hold on your lock screen. This kind of interface will appear. You can swipe right or left to view new lock screen. Now you can set the lock screen with the photo that you like. Now go back to your home page, open the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and select the option Wallpaper. In Wallpaper, click on the option Add New Wallpaper to add wallpaper from your gallery or explore new wallpapers. Additionally, you can click on the Customize option. Now you can change the whole interface of your lock screen. If you click on the Customize option on your lock screen, now select your lock screen and tap on the option Add Widgets. This will allow you to add new widgets to your lock screen. It could be from TikTok, Drive, your phone settings, or any other apps. Once you have added those, click on Done at the top right corner. That's all for today. Thank you.